Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful motif. Um, it's easy to knit. Let's get started. What we need for the pattern, we need to just crochet 4 rows. You can start by making magic loops or some chain. In this case I'm going to chain 6 or 8, it depends on the size of your yarn. Then we are going to join together to make a loop. In these loops, what we need 24 single crochet. So we keep continue until the end of the row to make 24 single crochet. As you can see here, at the end of row 1 I have 24 single crochet. When I joined the job together, for row 2 we are going to start to chain 25. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 chain. Then we are going to back to that chain and make a single crochet to join like this. We repeat this pattern by skip the next one. For the next stitch, first do the slip stitch and then again repeat 25. Back to the chain again, make a single crochet and skip the next one, and we repeat the pattern like this until the end of row. At the end of the row we should have 12 loops like that. As I told you, at the end of row 2 you are going to have 12 loops like this. The next row is going to be start the one exactly in the middle. You have two options. You can cut your yarn here exactly in this part and start with another yarn the other side, or you can keep going to go to the each single crochet and do the slip stitch. It's up to you if you want to do that. We are going to do the slip stitch to goes to the middle of the first chain. Let me do that to start row 3. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in the middle of that chain. What we have to do for row 3, we start by chain 3, 2 double crochet, 3 chain for separation and 3 more double crochet. Like that. And we repeat for the next loops we have by start to make a 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and again 3 double crochet, like that. We're going to do all of these loops until we go to the end of the job. At the end of row 3, the pattern should look like that. What we have to do for row 4, we are going to do the slip stitch to come in the middle of these groups like that. Then we start by chain 3 and we keep continue until we have 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we chain 2. When it comes to that part, we make a single crochet and we chain 2 again. Let's repeat here by make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 like that. Then 2 chain here between these two groups, 1 single crochet, 2 chain again and repeat. I'm going to repeat that one until the end of the row and I'll be back. At the end of row 4, the pattern should look like that. Now it's time to finish the job. What we have to do, after we came to that part, we start by make 1 single crochet on the top of each chain until we come to the middle. As you can see here, 3 double crochet, 3 chain. I'm in the middle. I start by make 3 chain. I'm going to do the slip stitch again in the same chain. Now I make 5 chains, slip stitch again in the same, and we repeat by 3 chain, slip stitch in the same stitches. I am going to make a flower in the middle of this group. Then when it comes to the next one, again we start by make 1 single crochet on the top of it. When it comes to that part, insert the hook in the middle, make 1 single crochet. Also for the next one, 1 single crochet like this. Then when it comes to the next group, we repeat 1, 2 and 3. Then here in the middle we start by chain 3, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, chain 3 again and a slip stitch. Now it's time to make again 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, here 1 and 2. We're going to repeat the pattern like this until the end of the row. If I show you in that one, as you can see here, I made all groups like that. At the end of the job, you should have to cut your yarn and it's going to be finished. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to push the notification button. Thank you again and have a great day.